go and work. You are supposed to work. But my dear, the way you my answer, you need to work.
You don't say.
We all do feed off men. What are you saying? My dear, that is why grooming and fashion is more important for them. They must be attractive sex objects.
You mean those girls? Bro, trust me, yawa no day. Yawa.
You're still stuck in the Middle Ages, girl. Today's woman has a career, is an earner, and would not be dominated. Anna.
See, it's still a woman's first instinct to drain a man.
Hallelujah. Adoyam Shisho.
It's in our blood. It's ingrained in our DNA. And it's passed on from mother to daughter.
In what book did you read all of that?
Not every woman feeds off a man.
Offer to back. Jimmy Papa.
Did any one of you discern any of these characteristics from what we just portrayed?
More and more men feed off women nowadays.
So it brings me to the question.
Is it the dog that chases the bone or the bone that chases the dog?
Ooh, House of Emoja.